Greetings, I'm Dev the Developer. This lesson covers 3 small tags that adjust where text sits vertically and how large it appears. Sub, and small. Short lesson, specific use cases. Sub or super raises text above the baseline and makes it smaller. You know this from math notation. The exponent in x squared sits above the x. Same idea in HTML. The most common uses are mathematical exponents, ordinal numbers like first and second, and footnote references. Sub does not change the font size of the surrounding text, it only affects the content inside the tag. The browser handles the positioning automatically. Sub is a mirror of sub. It drops text below the baseline and makes it smaller. This is what you see in chemical formulas. H2O has a 2 that sits below the H and the O. Subscripts show up most often in chemistry, mathematics, and engineering content. If you are building pages with equations or scientific data, you'll probably use these sub regularly. Now, the last of the 3 is small. It renders text as a smaller font size relative to the surrounding text. Semantically, it is for fine print. Copyright notices, disclaimers, legal text, terms and conditions. Like other tags in this lesson, small should be used for the right semantic reason. If you just want smaller text in some design context, use CSS. Small is for fine print and secondary context. The information that is technically there, but it is not the main message. 3 tags. Sub lifts text above the line for exponents, ordinals, and footnotes. Sub drops text below the line for chemical formulas and mathematical subscripts. And small renders text smaller for fine print and disclaimers. Small tools, but when you need them, nothing else does the job correctly. Find a place where one of them fits something you are already building and don't just watch it. Do it.